एबीवीपी के अटैक के खिलाफ जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के विद्यार्थी पिछले 2 दिनों से लगातार विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं और मेरे पीछे ये तस्वीर आप देख रहे होंगे कि किस तरीके से इनका पिछले कई दिनों से लगातार विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं और कई किलोमीटर का मार्च आज इन्होंने कवर अप किया। और ये तस्वीरें जो है पश्चिम बंगाल की है और बीजेपी के खिलाफ एबीवीपी के खिलाफ लगातार इनका विरोध प्रदर्शन चल रहा है। सो ये तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से पूरे देश भर में विद्यार्थियों का लगातार बीजेपी के खिलाफ नाराज़गी चल रहा है। और अभी यहाँ पे जो तस्वीर है वो जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के जो छात्र है वो लगातार इसी तरीके से विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। तो हम there had been attack in the Jadavpur University 2 days ago. So we have seen a visual from across the university. It's been attacked, vandalized, and the VVP mobs enter the Jadavpur University. So you got any cooperation from the police or the Jadavpur administration that day?
Can I hold this?
Yeah.
Okay, so that day, 19th of this month, at night, surprisingly, all of the gates of our university opened and all of the guards disappeared. Okay, so we did not get any help from the university authority and we also did not get any help from the police, because whenever we used to we called them and we said that we are in trouble, they just listened that we are the students of Jadavpur University, and they cut the phone and the authority didn't even pick up. So we repeatedly asked them to save us, but none of them responded.
They are trying to block down the main hostel gate, and which is from just 50 meters away from Jadavpur police station. So you guys are scared about your security concern for the further?
Yes, obviously we are scared, because as the students, the present students of this university, if we do not get the mere security that we deserve, we are not supposed to ask for it, but we have to ask for it since it is not given to us. That is why we are on the street here, and we will be remaining on the street until we get it.
So there is a Jadavpur constituency MLA, name is Sarbori Mukherjee. She is saying these students are Dimagi Naxals and there needs to be a surgical strike on them.
Okay, first of all, the respective ma'am you talked about, she is an MLA, but she is a MLA, but she is not the MLA of the area where Jadavpur University belongs to. Jadavpur University belongs to the Koshba area and not the Jadavpur area. Okay, so basically she is not our alumni. She is not connected with the academics in Jadavpur University. She was not a student from here. She is not an alumni. She is.
They're making some comments on you, na?
Yes, I get it. And basically that's why, since she is not connected with us, with the university at any circumstance, so she is like दूर दूर से उनको बोलने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है. And also another thing, that the thing that she mentioned about being a Dimagi Nakshal, first of all, these people are not Dimagi, because if they were Dimagi, if they had Dimag, they wouldn't have said that the Nazi symbol is the swastik symbol. Whatever politics that they are playing with the religion, they do not even know their own religion. They are saying that the Nazi symbol is the swastik symbol of Hindu, of the Hindu dharma. Okay, so that is all that I have to say.
What was the anger when they broken down the Jadavpur University emblem?
Yes, they broke it down, and by breaking it down, they didn't even it's not just their rage. It's their rage. It's not their rage towards us. It's rather their real face, where it is very visible that the emblem, it was basically made by Nandalal Boshu in 1956, as far as I know, and basically that emblem was directly connected to the Swadeshi.
Yeah.
ठीक है, to the स्वाधीनता. इसके बाद कौन देशद्रोही है, कौन एंटी? This is a question from my side to you guys.
जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्र लगातार विरोध प्रदर्शन में है और जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी का एम्बलम तोड़ा गया, नंदलाल बोसू की तरफ से बनाया गया। तो स्वदेशी आंदोलन और आरएसएस ने उस स्वदेशी आंदोलन को सपोर्ट नहीं किया था। उस वक्त हेडगेवार ने कहा था कि ये हमारा आंदोलन नहीं है। ये जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्र पिछले 2 दिनों से लगातार इनको विरोध प्रदर्शन चल रहा था। कुछ छात्रों से हम बातचीत कर रहे थे। जुड़ते दूसरे अपडेट के साथ, धन्यवाद।